So now let's see how we can prevent editing using masks in sculpting. So if I were to go around into the sculpt mode and then sculpt out right here, you can see that all the areas that I actually paint on is sculpted out. But if I were to scroll down and if I were to go on to mask right here, which is available right here, you can click on mask, and what you can do is you can just paint around. And you can see that that area turns black when I use mask on it. So if I were to go around into, let's say for example, the sculpt, and if I were to brush around, nothing happens right here. But if I were to sculpt around, you can see that the area for the mask right here, the mask area is not affected. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, mask, then what I can do is I can go around into, let's say for example, onto my settings. I can also subtract the mask so that I can subtract it out. So you can see that these areas are now the areas that can be edited. So if I were to go around into this area, click and drag it, this is what happens. You can see that this is how the masking affects that area out. So that is how you can use masks to prevent the editing. So I'm going to go around into mask again, and if I were to increase the radius of the mask just like this, let me just go around into strength as well, and then I'm going to go to addition from subtraction. You can see that it turns dark. I can go around into subtract, go around right here, and now what I can do is I can go around, and then if I were to do this, this is what masking does. So you can see that that area is masked out just like that. And that is how you can prevent editing using the masks in sculpting inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.